Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having the loveliest weekend. So today's video is one of my most requested videos and it is how to make your outfits look more chic and more expensive. So obviously the temperature has really dropped recently. I don't know what happened. I feel like it just happened overnight and it's very tempting to throw all style out the window and just be practical and cozy. But I do think you can have both. You can be warm, fairly practical, but also look chic at the same time. And in this video, I'm going to show you some easy methods to make your outfits look more chic and expensive in winter. So obviously I'm conscious everybody has a different clothing budget when it comes to your wardrobe. It is very easy to make your outfit look more chic and expensive if you have an unlimited budget, but I'm going to show you a variety of ways at a variety of different price points, some of which are free in order to make your outfits look more chic. So I'm going to try and show items in this video which are still in stock, but if these items are from last year, I will find a very similar alternative and I will link everything down below in the description box. Do also follow me on Instagram at Sophie Louise's Diary, and let's just get straight into it. So one way to make your outfits look more chic and expensive in winter is to add a blazer. Obviously we are past the time where you can just wear a blazer on its own, that's more of an autumnal look, but wintering is all about layering. So I love a blazer under a coat. It means when you take your coat off when you go inside, you still look chic, plus it's adding an extra layer of warmth. So for me, a blazer is a no-brainer. This one I'm wearing here, this one is from Holland & Cooper, a little bit more expensive, but the quality of these blazers really are gorgeous and they are such a classic. I will go on to talk about classics and investment pieces later on in this video, but it really is worth it. The pieces are so beautiful. I got this in a size extra small. I also love the gold buttons. It gives it a little bit of extra bouginess, and I've also worn this with a pair of black jeans and knee-high boots. It's giving countryside chic. Another blazer you may have seen before, but it is restocked every year, is my Jewellery camel blazer. This is kind of a brushed, very thick blazer, which is perfect for layering under your coats, and also when you take your coat off and you're inside, your outfit still looks very put together. I think I've had this for 2 or 3 years now, but it's such a classic. I go back to this again and again. It looks so gorgeous, paired with some black jeans and some black knee-high boots. Such a chic classic look, you just cannot go wrong with it. So staying on the subject of tailoring, another essential in your autumn winter wardrobe is a tailored wool coat. These sit at the heart of my autumn winter capsule wardrobe. Generally speaking, I guess a coat is what people see the most because it is way too cold to be without one. All my wool coats have been such investment pieces. They really do last for years if you get a really lovely, good quality one. Also, I know some people are going to say it, but you're wearing a skirt. A skirt isn't that warm with some sheer tights in winter, but I have a trick to show you. I have purchased these double layer tights from Calzedonia. So what you do is you actually put this nude thermal layer on first. It has this really gorgeous soft fleece within it, but it's not too thick that it's obvious. It doesn't crease on the leg here. It really just keeps you super cozy, and then you add a sheer tight on top and it really looks like you're wearing sheer tights, because let's face it, a pair of sheer tights is not as warm as some jeans or some trousers, but this really does the trick. Back to the coat. This is from Karen Millen. I got this a couple of years ago, but they have a super similar version in this year. It's pretty much identical. I get my Karen Millen coats in a size 6. You cannot go wrong with a camel coat. It's giving Max Mara. It's just something that's never ever going to go out of fashion. I have worn this so much. It looks so lovely paired with jeans as well, and also a nice black skinny jean with a knee-high boot also looks really, really gorgeous. A wool coat that is a little bit cheaper is this really gorgeous brown Abercrombie coat. It's super simple, but it works. Never gonna go out of fashion. It's actually really cozy. I love the shape of it. It's actually quite roomy. I got this in a size extra small, but you could definitely layer a nice chunky knit under this. And I think this was around the 150 price mark. Another coat I also got from Abercrombie is this gorgeous burgundy coat. It's kind of almost like a wool trench, but really lovely and warm. Another wool blend, and I absolutely love a little bit of burgundy, especially at this time of year. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. It's also very trending, but it's also another classic. Also for a higher price point, I have this burgundy coat from Cara Millen. The tailoring and the fit on this coat is just so, so beautiful. So I just switched the camera around so I can show you some close-ups in the better natural light. The next thing I think is so important is getting your accessories right, especially jewellery. I feel like jewellery adds the finishing touch to any outfit, and I think it's so important to have some core everyday pieces in your jewellery box. So I'm a firm believer you do not need 500 million pieces of jewellery. I have always stuck to a few pieces that I go back to every day. So when it comes to these pieces, I stick to fairly minimal classic pieces. I absolutely love Gingerberry. I have quite a few pieces from them now because they are such classics. They're never going to go out of fashion and the quality is just beautiful. So first I'm going to show you these beautiful earrings. If you've known me for a while, you'll know I love a pearl earring, and these are just so gorgeous. I'm going to show you closer up. How beautiful are these? I love how these are a classic, but the style is quite modern. I love how the pearl comes from behind the earlobe. So these are an AAA pearl grade, and these are an 18 karat solid gold. You can wear these every day. You can dress up your casual outfits with these, but these would also look so perfect for an evening out. The necklace is AAA pearl grade and also 18 karat solid gold too. And as you can tell, the pearls are so gorgeous. They have such a strong luster. I also have a couple of new pieces from the collection, and I wanted to show you the packaging actually, because how beautiful is this? So in here we have a beautiful pearl necklace. I love how the gingerberry pieces are such classics, but they have that added extra little detail which adds a little bit of modernity and makes it a little bit different. I absolutely love this gold detail. It's so beautiful. I've just put the necklace on. How beautiful is this? And again, so versatile. This would look so gorgeous in summer with a gorgeous summer dress, but this would also look so nice with a plain black dress. I'm also getting married next summer, and I think this is going to be so perfect for maybe my welcome party or my hen do or something like that. I think it's giving bridal as well. And finally, I want to show you a bracelet. Again, of course we have pearls. This is such a beautiful Baroque style bracelet. These pearls are AA pearls, and we have the sterling silver clasp. Again, such an everyday piece. I feel like I would just leave this on my wrist. It's gonna go with everything. This has such an elegant yet vintage style feel. It's so beautiful, and I love the elongated pearls. Also, you can use my code SRK at 15 for 15% off, and I will pop the link down below in the description. It is also worth noting that Gingerberry's prices are set to rise in January, so if you are looking to treat yourself, now might be the time. So when it comes to accessories, I can't forget about belts. These are such an essential part of my wardrobe. I feel like most of the time I add a belt to my outfits. As well as jewellery, I feel like it's the perfect finishing touch to the outfit. It brings the colours together, it makes the outfit feel cohesive, and it can add a little bit more of style. You'll have probably seen this tan belt before. This is from Amazon. It was about £15. Perfect way to style up your outfits, add a little bit of bouginess. Obviously it looks very similar to the Hermes one as well if you don't want to spend that amount of money on the belt. I think this is about £800 in Hermes. I also wear my Reese belt quite a lot. This is a really good middle option. I think this one was around £60. Finally, you will have definitely seen this belt. The cost per wear I've got out of this belt is actually probably quite low, even though it is a £300 belt, because I've worn it with so much. I also accidentally put this in the washing machine the other day and it's come out pretty well. I mean, it's got a couple of scratches on it, but when I realised that had happened, I was thinking I was going to have to buy a new one. And this looks so lovely with a very plain black outfit. It just adds that touch of bouginess. A designer belt is also a really good option if you want to add a touch of luxury to your outfit, but you don't want to invest in a designer handbag. Designer handbag is obviously a lot more money. A Celine designer handbag is probably around £2,500. So this is a much cheaper alternative. Another way to make your outfits look more chic and expensive is to stick to the classics. I know it is tempting. There are so many trends over on social media and there are even micro trends, but ultimately it's the classic pieces we end up going back to. I do feel like the classic, more minimal pieces I have in my wardrobe look way more chic, and also because these pieces are not going to go out of fashion, you can perhaps spend a little bit more money on them because you will want to wear these for years to come. A good quality piece is not only just going to last you long in terms of the fabric, but because it isn't a trending piece, you're still going to love it. So for instance, a wool coat or a wool cashmere jumper or a turtleneck, or these white trousers for instance, these are all things I know that I'm going to wear years and years to come. This coat for instance I think is around 3-4 years old, and in 3 or 4 years I'm probably still going to be wearing it. Another thing I would also say is to try and stick to neutrals, especially if you're trying to build an autumn winter capsule wardrobe. Neutral colours are very versatile, and again it goes back to the same theory of the classic pieces. If you're buying neutrals, they're more likely to be versatile, they're more likely to work together, so you don't need to invest in as many pieces, so you can perhaps get something which is a little bit nicer quality that's going to last you. Don't get me wrong, I do love the high street and lots of my wardrobe is from the high street, but when it comes to those key pieces in your wardrobe, I would suggest trying to look for those pieces which have a better quality fabric such as wool, because it will last you longer, and you can find pieces like that on the high street, such as the Abercrombie coat I showed you earlier. Also, by sticking to neutrals and classics, you're making it much easier to get changed in the morning. You may have noticed already, but when it comes to my outfits, I'm often wearing a very similar base layer. So when it comes to autumn and winter, you'll notice I'm very fond of a turtleneck. I have these in a few neutral colours, and I often pair these with either a pair of black skinny jeans tucked into boots, a black skirt, or a pair of tailored trousers such as this white pair, and I also have a similar pair in black. And then on top I will wear a blazer or a tailored coat. So if you stick to these classic neutral pieces, you'll find that you can create a capsule wardrobe quite a bit more easily, and a lot more of your pieces are going to match together, and you'll have some foolproof outfits ready to go. And that brings me very nicely on to knitwear pieces. When it comes to autumn winter, knitwear is one of my favourite things. I love a good cozy knit. Not only does it keep you nice and warm, but a knit can look so chic. One type of knit I absolutely love is a turtleneck. I have already spoke about these in my wardrobe. I do think it is one of my most worn pieces this time of year. just because I love the look of a turtleneck. I think it's very chic, but it also keeps your neck nice and warm. This is definitely a go-to for me. I have lots of black turtlenecks because that's definitely my most worn colour. I have this really gorgeous one. This is from Holland & Cooper. If you're looking for knitwear, Holland & Cooper is a really good option. I have discovered this brand recently and I now have a turtleneck from them in a chocolate brown colour. It has this really lovely hardware detail on the neck and this is so soft. You can see it also has the most gorgeous detailing on here. The pieces really are lovely quality. So we have yet to talk about footwear and I think this is a really important one. I don't have loads of shoes, but the shoes and boots that I have, I wear to death. And I think it's really important that you have a really lovely, good quality pair of boots in your wardrobe. In particular, I love a flat knee-high riding boot. Again, such a classic, elegant piece. So I have two pairs that I mix and match depending on how I'm feeling. This pair is from Holland & Cooper, really gorgeous. Equestrian style, super comfortable and practical. They actually keep my feet really nice and warm. They look so nice paired with some black skinny jeans, or these are a really thick legging, which are super useful. I will link these. And they just instantly just make the outfit look so much more elevated. Another pair I have worn to death, I got these last winter, are the Massimo Dutti boots. The quality of these is gorgeous. I have worn them for miles and miles as well. Perhaps not as comfortable as my Holland & Cooper ones because I bought them in a too small size because I was just so desperate and I saw that there was that size in stock and I just had to buy them. But such a beautiful boot, again a classic. So the last thing I want to talk about is probably one of the most boring topics, but it really is just simple, and that is to just look after your clothes. Make sure everything is crease free. It's really handy to get a good quality steamer so you can just quickly go over your clothes before you wear them. It's just such a simple thing, but it gives you that elevated look. You look very much put together. You look like you've got your life together. Also, another obvious one is just make sure that things are clean, no marks on them. Always good to get a lint roller to get rid of any little hairs, especially if you like to wear black. We have two little long-haired dachshunds and believe me, their fur is, before I leave the house, I literally have to use it on everything. I just have no idea how their hair literally gets on everything I own. And we reached the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you got lots of tips and tricks to make your outfits look a little bit more chic this winter. Any discount codes and also links I will pop down in the description box below. Anything else you would like to see from me next, do let me know in the comments as well. And I hope you have the loveliest rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching.